Katie, and I'm giving a shout out to Morgan's Magnificent Life. She's awesome, so make sure you subscribe to her, or you can call her Morgan. She makes my life happier on YouTube. Because all the nice things she says to me, and we're YouTube friends. And she's like one of my best friends. She's really nice to me. And I think you should go sorry. I think you should just go subscribe to her, because her videos are awesome. I love watching them, and I love to read her comments that she asks me. Like sometimes. Sorry, I'll wait. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to Morgan. Oh, and this is a question from Mark. What do you mean by type it 10 things you want to know about me? I typed it in, but I don't know which one to click. And which YouTuber uploaded it, because I don't know. Yeah, so go subscribe to Morgan. Link in the description box below. You have to subscribe to her because she's amazing. She's like my best YouTube friend ever. She's one of my best friends. She's really nice to me, and I'm really nice to her. And she was like the one who got my YouTube channel started. And I was the one who got her YouTube channel started. So yeah. Go subscribe to her. Now. If you don't subscribe to her, then the people who don't subscribe to Morgan are not getting shout out. So go subscribe to Morgan. Now. Please. Please. I'm begging. Oh. I'm just kidding. Everybody's getting shout outs, but if you can, go subscribe to Morgan. So shout out to Morgan's Magnificent Life. So yeah, bye.